Hello and welcome to the official 4UCompany YouTube channel, your new go-to for premium hair care. Whether you're fighting dryness, breakage, frizz, or just upgrading your hair routine, you're in the right place. At 4UCompany, we're more than a brand. We're a team dedicated to helping you love your hair again, naturally and confidently. Today, I'm giving you a quick sneak peek at the 14 amazing products we currently offer. No deep dives yet, just a taste of what's waiting for you. Stay tuned because detailed product videos are coming soon. And yes, we deliver worldwide: USA, Europe, the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America, with secure payments, reliable shipping, and real customer support. Here's what's in store: Scalp Massager with infrared light for better scalp circulation TheraBrush, deep scalp exfoliation and cleansing, Chaby and Karkar oil, African-inspired hair nourishment GZE Rosemary Shampoo Bar, strengthens and revitalizes roots, electric hair heating cap, perfect for deep treatments, Cepillo Phototherapia, phototherapy brush for scalp stimulation, rosemary mint hair growth oil, hydrates, repairs, regrows, magical keratin hair mask, deep repair and intense shine, collagen and biotin gummies, beauty boost from within lace melting spray for flawless wig applications, waterproof bonding glue, secure, long-lasting holds, Lockmayo hair wax stick, tame flyaways and style sleek mini USB-C electric razor, portable, waterproof grooming satin bonnet, essential nighttime hair protection. From styling to nourishing, we've got you covered. We're just getting started. Soon we'll drop detailed videos showing how each product works and fits your hair care journey. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, drop a comment, and share your hair goals. At 4UCompany, your confidence is our mission. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the 4UCompany family.